sprinkles. Okay, good. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chigo, and if you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe because I have a lot of content coming for y'all. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. So from the title of this vlog, basically I'm gonna give you a spiel. I'm about to move. I currently live in Dallas, but it's like my final days here. But I'm right now just about to go get my hair cut and then run some errands. I have some packages I have to drop off. My car's a little dirty, but basically, yeah, I'm about to go cut my hair and then run some errands for the next couple days, and then I'm gonna go check into a hotel, move on my apartment, go to storage. I'm going to sell my car, and then I'm going to get on my flight. I'm almost done packing all my stuff, and I'm going to London. Yes, I'm gonna go stay in London for a little bit with my friends because I feel like I need a vacation. It's just been like crazy going. And then from London, hopefully I'll be moving somewhere special. But you'll have to wait and keep watching the vlogs to find out where I'm moving to. Mystery. But yeah, so I have a lot of content. I just got this new camera. It's really tiny and it's good for vlogging. So I'm really excited to try this out because my issue is like I don't like carrying heavy cameras around, you know, or in like my bag when I'm walking around. So I feel like this is really small enough for me. But yes, I look a little busted, but it's okay. It's freezing here in Dallas. It's literally 38 degrees Fahrenheit right now. So I have this jacket on. But yes, I'm about to look at my hair and then I will carry y'all on the rest of the vlog. All right. Okay, I just cut my hair. I've been watching Inventing Anna and I'm obsessed with her accent. So I just cut my hair. Do y'all like it? He did a good job. I'm gonna miss my barber because he was so good. But yeah, so I'm about to run the rest of my errands. I'm about to drop off packages. And then I'm gonna get food and go back home to keep packing. Yeah, because the movers are coming tomorrow to move all stuff to storage. So yeah.
Guys, so we're at the Mercedes dealership, you guys. I hate Chase, okay? Come for me or not. So honestly, they just have the worst service. You call them for stuff, they can't get it done. And they act like they're so nice, but anyways, Gucci's here. Gucci, say hi. Okay, he doesn't want to say hi now. And here she goes. Yeah, this is really cool. I like this.
Hey guys, so we're cleaning.
Is the camera really on?
Yeah.
Oh shit, that's a small ass camera.
Guys, this is the camera.
Oh my god.
He was so shook.
I thought you had like a little bit just a stand.
No, it's a camera. But yeah, so we're cleaning. We're almost done, child. It is a mess. But we have to move out in the morning. So I'm like cleaning the fridge right now. There's all this stuff. Oh, let me show y'all my luggages. This is my luggages. They're almost done packed. I just need finish packing this one. And we're pretty much done. And I have to take these to my storage. That's pretty much it. So yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna go get my manicure and pedicure and then check into my hotel and then leave on Tuesday. But yes guys, this is too much. Hey guys, just got to my hotel. It's just like the cutest hotel. If you're ever in Dallas, like you literally have to come here. And it's so cute. I'm gonna show you around. It's really small, but it's like perfectly what I needed. Let me show y'all. This is my hotel. I'll give y'all a room tour. This is the bathroom. It has a bidet and a rain shower. And some glass. It's really small. It's like 200 square feet, but it's really perfect for me for 2 days. I just need somewhere to stay. Well, my flight, 2 days. My luggages are all packed. Don't you love these? I just found these on Amazon and I was like, oh my gosh, I love these. Like, they help your luggage like stay longer because instead of getting your luggage scratched, you get these scratched instead. So yeah, I'm gonna be here for 2 days. I'm excited, nervous, sad, happy. But yeah, like this is so crazy. Like I can't believe I'm actually moving. I'm leaving Dallas after being here for the past 9 to 10 years. So this is crazy, but yeah. I'm gonna go hang out with my friend, catch up with my friend before I leave Tsushima. I'm gonna go grab dinner, and then after that, go see my other friend Nick and Zach. And then tomorrow is run last minute errands, wash my car, get it detailed, and then they come pick it up. The buyer's going to pick it up, and then my flight's on Tuesday. So just run a few last minute things, and then I will see you guys. I'm like a little sad. It's okay. I just sold my car. It's the paperwork. I just signed it and then gave him the keys. And I leave tomorrow. I have dinner with my friends. It's crazy. Hey guys, so I just got to my hotel in London. I'll be here for 2 days before I head to Leicester to go steal my friend. I'm like so exhausted. Long trip. But yes. Oh, let me show you. I'm gonna give you a tour of my room. It's pretty basic. Okay. So when you walk in, my luggages, my bed, my closet space, TV, the view. My friend used to live, I think literally like one of these houses here, so that's how I know about this area. It was really nice. And then let me show you the bathroom. Just the bathroom is pretty small. That's all I need for 2 days before I head to Leicester. But yeah, I'm like so tired because literally left, our flight got delayed from London. Came a little late, had to stay in the airport lounge, Rifles Lounge for like 5 hours and then check into the hotel. So I'm gonna shower and literally pass out because I'm like so exhausted. And I need to start on medication too. But yeah, this will be the end of this vlog. Hopefully you guys have been following me. I'm excited for this journey. And I'm gonna be here for like 2 months, maybe a little more. We'll see. But yeah, I have a lot of content planned, a lot of stuff to do. So hopefully y'all subscribe, like, tell me what you want to see from me, anything particular, and then I will do it. So yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and give me a thumbs up. Helps me. And I will catch you guys in the next vlog. Ciao.